Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm doing an update on my Porsche 924. In the last video we looked at the engine, we finally got it turning over, so we tried starting it but no luck. We suspected a head gasket problem, and in this video today I'm going to show you everything we've done to the engine so far and what we've dismantled. Also, the engine's actually coming up tomorrow, so I want to get this video done today, uploaded, and then we can go on to the next stages, which is not actually the engine. We've got to be looking at rebuilding the front corners of the car, the suspension and everything. So yeah, let's take a look at it. So here we go. Look at this. So the head's off, and this is the block, and this is coming up tomorrow. But look at that. Now these pistons were a lot worse. What we've been doing is just spraying stuff in them over the last couple of days, because what we're going to do is take this piece out and hopefully make sure all the chambers are fine, and we're hoping, we're praying we can use the same, same bottom half of the engine, and just renew all the pistons and rings like that. If not, we will put a new engine in, but the main goal is to keep this part. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can do that, but we won't know until we strip it apart. But the head come off. I'll show you the head in a second. It's quite windy, so I apologise for any wind noise. But yeah, these, look at that. Just absolutely, yeah. It's amazing we got it turned over like we did, because it wasn't turning over, and we kept trying. We finally got it to go, so we are outstanding by that. So what I've done is took as much off the engine as I could, and then my dad and brother's got to come over tomorrow and remove the rest. We've took the front corners off now, so if I just go down, and you can see we've removed the front frame. That's all around the back, which I'll show you in a second, which I'm working on this week, hopefully this weekend. But yeah, we got all that out. We'll get the exhaust off as well. The actual downpipe there, that's coming off. Going to go put a lovely nice stainless steel exhaust system on it. But yeah, so that'll come out. Let me just show you here. Like I said, we got the corners off. So as soon as the engine's out, this will go over to my my parents' house, and my dad's going to work on it. And I'll still be going over doing videos for you all, but at the same time I'm going to be learning as well. So that go over that. But what I'll be doing in the next couple of videos is cleaning up the parts we can still use and rebuilding every corner of the car. The plan is to put coilovers on as well, which I've never done into a car, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I will be rebuilding the corners in the garage for you all. If we go over to the back of the car, it's getting really windy now. This is all the parts we took off. The airbox was full of water as well. We're suspecting flood damage, but we're unsure. We don't really know too much the history of the car. Either way, the engine's being done, so it's not a big issue. And as for rot in the car, it is only the passenger sill. It's had welding done here before, and then where I've sprayed red done now the mount, but we're putting buckets in it anyway, so we're gonna fix all that. As soon as we get the car running, we'll fix all that. I've taken the steering wheel off now too, and then it's just a case of I'm gonna put the carpet in, new carpet soon, and I can start doing that pretty much as soon as I want, because it's not going to affect the engine. I also want to rebuild the driver's door. It's been apart and it's not been put back properly, not put together properly. The alternator seems to be fine. I will take it to Elliot and see if he can rebuild it for me. As for the starter's not too bad. Again, this is all parts I'm going to get refurbished. I want to paint the engine as well. As long as we can keep that engine, I want to paint it and do it up, because I want to make the engine bay look really nice, because this car's not going anywhere. This will be a show car. We could have really done with it the other day, because the New Yorker is not very well, not running whatsoever. Doing a video on that soon, because I may need help. I might even film that tomorrow. But back to the Porsche. So yeah, the plan is to I'm going to try and get the carpet done very soon because I want to start putting the seats in and everything like that. It depends what I got to do with the welding now. I might have to get a mobile welder in and get that sorted. But that's fine, that's all stuff we can do. So yeah, starting with we're unsure, but I'll get it refurbished either way because I think he charges like £15 for reverb, so that's not too bad at all. As for electrics, that's something I'll be starting soon as well. But anyway, let's go and take a look at the actual head. Okay, so here is the head of the car. Now, I've taken it apart now, took all the parts off that we could possibly use. But the underside of it, it's a bit of a messy at the moment because this is my work table. I'm going to be setting it up and I'm a bit of a lean-to here so I can work on the stuff. We got the hubs, everything like that, brake calipers, all that to be done. I'm going to be replacing these either way. But if I just roll this one over for you all, make sure it does go off the table. There you go, see, that's what we were faced with. It's had a helicore at some point, which is interesting. But I'm going to put a new head on it. Because this one's pretty much, there's no point messing with it, in my opinion. So I'm going to put a new head on, and hopefully that will help. That's one of the things that I will be getting sorted. This would just go to scrap. I'm going to start working on these parts, cleaning them up, be putting new brakes on. These will be replaced as well. These are cheap enough to get. But parts like this I'll be cleaning up fully and then spraying up, ready to go back on the car. Same with the calipers, which are down here. The calipers will be refurbished and everything. There's our Maserati. So yeah, that's the head and all these little bits that I got sorted out. So that is the idea. We'll get the engine out tomorrow, and I probably won't be doing a video on it for some time, couple of weeks. But like I said, the next step is, whilst the engine's having his, we'll check it out. I'll keep you updated, of course, with the engine, but I'm going to be focusing on rebuilding the corners of the car. I'll order the coils, and I will rebuild both front corners separate, so when we do put the car together, they can just slot straight in. And yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, that all goes well. And one of the things I will be changing over the next couple of weeks are the wheels, because I absolutely hate these wheels. I really do. I don't know why. When I buy a car, I usually like the wheels, but my last two Porsches, the wheels have just been, yeah, they don't suit the car at all. So we'll try and get some original wheels and we'll get started with that. But yeah, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan, and I'll keep you all updated, guys. So please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the car, please feel free to message me, comment. And over the next couple of weeks are very exciting because there's a lot of car stuff happening with me as well as car clubs. And yeah, I can't wait to share that all with you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.